how to review news articles you've opened on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review news articles you've opened on Facebook mobile. Firstly, go to Facebook and now click this three lines here and top corner and go down, click settings and privacy, and then click settings, and here just you need to find this one, activity log. Click on it and go down, click look at actions and other activity, and then just go down until you find new news articles you've opened, and that's how to view it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.